Hello, my name is Javier Mendoza. I'm a professor at the University of La Laguna, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a really useful tool to engage with your students, give them tasks, and receive their feedback, or they can communicate with each other with videos or comments. So first thing you have to do is to go to flipgrid.com. You sign up. I have already done it, so I will log in as an educator. This is important. So you log with your Google account. In this case, this is mine. And as you see, it takes you to the screen of discussion. And in here, I have already created a group that I use with my students in the subject of business management. So far has been quite useful. So you can start by creating a group. It's really easy. You just have to add the name. Let's name it test, for example. And then automatically it creates a link that you can send to your students so they can join. You can do it also. You can put your students' email. You can create usernames for your students. You can upload the CSV file, for example. You can join with Google Classroom, or you just make it public as we are going to do. You can allow or not group followers. I would not recommend you that. You can active or hide your group. And finally, you can choose an image. You can put your university logo or institution logo, or you can choose one of these, for example, I don't know, let's say this elephant. And that's it. You have created your group, and this is your link to distribute. Or you can, Google Classroom or embed the code or Twitter or something like that. Once you have done that, the next step is to create topics. You have an already created topic, so let's edit it. We put the title, again, test topic. Here you put the text, so you present the topic to your students. For example, hi, this is a test. And then you can add media. You have this predefined media. We are going to delete it and substitute it for something else. Let's say, for example, a gift from the university. So you search and we choose this one, for example. And here you have. Next you have to decide is if you want to have topic moderation or not. Probably is better. How your students can respond. They can do it through video and text, video only, text only, or none. Then the recording time for the response, you can have from 15 seconds till 10 minutes. Let's set it in 1 minute. And then the closed captations. You can even upload attachments. So if you have like PDF or something in a Google Drive, you just add the link, put the title, and add the attachment. You can even set deadlines. If you say like, okay, I want to have it this active for 1 month. So here you have, it will be the deadline at the end of March. You can allow topic followers. I would not recommend it because it will get like a lot of emails. No notification frequency or daily or weekly or every new video and comment. This is up to you. You can cover images and videos. You can allow to edit the video. And you can even allow students to like other students' videos. This could be helpful if you are like making a survey or choosing between different options, but if not, I would recommend not to activate this option. And that's it. Basically, you update the topic and then you start the discussion. How do you start the discussion? Well, your students can start recording a response. Let's say I'm doing the video, and while doing the video you have several options before you start. So you can upload a clip, you can do it like mic only, so no video. You can mirror the video, you can mute it, and you can have some effects at the beginning. For example, you have some stickers, let's say this one for example, and you can put it here in one side so it's accompanying you while you're recording. And then you start recording. So, hello, this is the first response for the test video, for the test topic. Once you have it, you stop it, you click next. Hello. You can listen to it. You can even add more video if you would like to. So let's see next. And then you can have frame, meaning the first image that your students will see. For example, not this one, well, this one, if it's, you can choose whatever you want. Let's say that is this one, for example. You can even play with your name tag if you want to put like in different shapes. Let's put it like that. So you confirm, you can even have a link, you can have a description like first response, and you submit it and it will upload relatively quickly. So using Flipgrid, it really has engaged my students. They have started to submit videos and answer to each other and so on. So here you have it. So they will see something like that. They will click on the first video and they can leave comments. They can leave comments in the shape of another video, or they can just, for example, to put one comment, send the comment, and here you have it. So this is basically it. I think it's quite easy. For me and my students, it has been quite different from other tools we have used. In this time of the pandemic, it also has been really useful, and I hope it will help you as well with your students. Bye.